Hi, Troy from Allsop and Allsop here to present to you this brand new studio apartment in Bali Residence JBT. As you enter the apartment, to the left you have the bathroom. Nice and spacious with the walk-in shower. Then leading into the fully fitted kitchen. Here we've got a microwave and gas hob and also a washing machine. Then leading into the living/bedroom area. Nice and spacious for a big bed and lots of storage. This studio is in the larger layout and comes with a very spacious balcony with upgraded AstroTurf. And then views directly onto the villas of JBT. If you'd like to know more about this property or want to book in a viewing, please contact me on the details provided below.